So,
What are you gonna do now?
Get out of Los Angeles. We'll have to find a new place to
Hey,
hide.
We're never gonna win this war if we keep running from the enemy.
Sorry, sweetheart, but this is a war we're never gonna win. No matter what we do.
Ready your weapons, people.
Den Zug verteidigen. Die gewinnen.
Come on, Connor. Crush him.
Ja gut, uns liegt. Keine Duelle mit.
Damn robots.
Do not let them pass us!
In die Raketen ausliegen, oder? Wie schaut aus? Da gibt mir Opfer. Hat den Auto nicht getroffen.
Why are we slowing down?
Hey, Warren, some of our people are on the platform up ahead. We gotta get them on board.
No, we'll be killed!
Don't listen to him, Barnes. We're getting those people.
All right, get them on board!
Bei der Ordnung braucht er, die geht oben. Die bringt die Ordnung.
Looks like the coast is clear.
Let's get those people aboard!
Come on, people. Move. Get on the train.
Spiders!
Keep them away from the train!
Ja gut, solange die Munition nicht ausgeht, dann geht's noch.
Here come more machines! We should just go! Not gonna make it!
Let's go, Angie. Take him down.
Angie, nicht verzweifeln, der Tony regelt das.
Endo!
Come on, are you kidding? Let's go, people. Move. Come on, move. Take that, robot. Hurry up. Let's clear the place out.
Barnes, how many people we still need to get on board?
Almost got them all.
We're clear.
That's everybody right there. Let's go.
Und Ladies, weiter geht's. Mit dem wilden Fahrt. Terminator in Antwort. Aber der uns zerbrödelt.
Come on, let him have it!
Und Bruder, wieder hinausgehen, wo wir das sehen. Die sitzen uns im Nacken. Ecke. Just so. Ja gut, war ein bisschen knapp, aber geschafft haben wir es. Oh, Bumm, wo ist Aussteigen?
Everyone
Endstation.
okay?
Yeah.
I'm all right.
Grab your stuff and let's go!
Where are we going?
To the depot where we keep the vehicles. We'll get cars and rendezvous with the others en route.
This is John Connor calling David Ah, man.
What was that?
That's Skynet jamming your signal. It's coming from their surveillance facility, up in the hills.
What is that thing?
It's how Skynet keeps watch on the city. They're up there scanning the surface, looking for survivors. It's the reason we have to live underground. Keep close to us, and keep the machines busy. There's special short waves in each vehicle. Skynet can't jam them. Or at least they can't jam them very well. Put them on. Let's go!
So, in der Mission der nächste wilde Trip. Wenn den Buggies, Respekt. Und den Schulbus eskortieren.
Get ready, here they come. Stay close to the bus.
Hey, Victor. Die nimmt dich um.
Boys, just stay back and we'll clear the way.
Ja, ja, die doch.
Haha! Take that!
We gotta flank these guys. I'll go left.
Ja, mit schweren Geschütz. Da kommt der Treffer,
get
gell?
your ass back here and keep us covered.
Careful!
Need some cover, John.
Keep the
Guter
machines
Wein.
off of us.
Wenn er dort weint.
Good shooting, guys. Well done, Sean.
Here come more of them. Do something.
Get up ahead of us and clear a path.
We got him!
More of those damn machines.
Skynet's everywhere. There's too many of them.
Es sind so viele, wo? Wo doch?
They're everywhere.
Don't let them near us.
Na schön, wenn die Jungen rufen.
Looks like the coast is clear.
Oh, wieso kurz? So dreckig war es ja dick. Kann schlimmer sein.
I don't think we're alone.
I don't like this at all.
Connor, we got more of them, bro.
Get
Ja
rid
gut,
of
der
them.
liegt schon. Wie wir rumschauen. Ja, ist gar nicht. Ja, so doch.
Ando!
Watch out!
Come on, we getting out of here.
Gotta turn around.
No, we don't.
Umdrehen,
Out of
warum?
my way.
Warren.
No! Brace yourselves!
Mit dem Hund genauer, gell? Typisch.
Let's get out of here.
Let's go, everyone!
Und Dennis, weiter geht's. Mit der blauhäutigen Tour. Oha, gehen wir die wieder. Aber die schickt man in den Ruhestand.
Got machines behind us! Take them out, Connor!
Einmal runter mit die Stadt. Drin vielleicht da. Steuer und im gescheitert. Ab und zu muss er mal scheitern.
Let's go, everyone!
Und wenn hinten, die kann ich noch holen.
Machines behind us! Take them out, Connor!
Ja.
Don't let them near us!
Ich glaube, da wird es nicht heikel, oder? Und du bist wieder da. Ja, eine Brante. Aber haben wir es gleich? Oh, Freunde, willkommen, tschüss. Sehr gut. Aber gewiss, jawohl. Auf Millimeter.
All right, Warren. This is where we part ways. We're headed back to Eagle Rock.
You brought a lot of trouble to our doorstep. Still, in the end, you came through. If you change your mind, you're welcome to stay with us.
Thanks. I appreciate it. But we're going after our guys.
Do you even realize where you are? You're right under Skynet's eyes and ears. And you want to set out on foot? Hell, they're even jamming your radios, keeping you from talking to each other. You'll never reach your men. Not as long as that thing's still standing.
Then we'll destroy it.
The two of you? Alone?
No, not alone.
Thought you were coming with us.
I wanted to. I can't live like you do.
Suit yourself.
I'm going too. I'm tired of spending my life on the run.
After all I've done for you, Barnes? You're idiots! All of you! It's suicide!
It may be. But I'd rather die for a reason than live without one.
Yeah. Nice knowing you.
Thanks for coming along. You don't have to do this.
I know I don't, but we're here, so what's the next step?
If that tower is the source of our problems, it's gotta go.
Well, well, well. Looks like John Connor's come up with a plan.
End of the road.
Nah, man, we're just getting started.
Looks like it's
Das ist
less than
Player.
a mile from here.
Zweifelst du meine Pläne
Be
hoch?
there in no time.
Ein Kottensprung zum Turm.
Been so long since I've been topside. Forgot how beautiful it can be.
I miss it. How it used to be.
Und, wo ist der Turm?
Just miss it so much.
I don't think we're alone. Did you see that?
It's just the light playing tricks on you. Robots don't sneak around.
Robots.
They were here, we
Der
know.
gute Heilige Geist wird nicht sein. Pipebomb.
It's
Wow.
a skin job!
Out erledigt. P600. Oh, warte mal. Der kommt weiter. Oh, erledigt. Macht er ernst.
Need to reload!
Und?
Watch out, skin job. Man, I hate these robots. Cover
Aus
me,
die Brille
Connor.
geschossen.
Spider! Spider, help!
Alter, die Schlucke voll Granaten weg.
Aerostats on me! Help!
Wo suchst du denn? Wo ist ein Granatenwerfer?
Can't you see I'm reloading?
Er wird ein bisschen effektiver. Bei der Vorbomben 2. Kennt ihr das oder was? Und was sagt dann? Tun wir raus? Nein. Gerade eine idyllische Ruine. Eine bescheuerte Flinte, die geht in den Brücken.
Spider incoming, man.
Mit der Flinte gib mir nicht weit. Und Granaten, jawohl.
Why won't it stop? Skin job! Run!
Also bleib hier oben.
I'm reloading the weapon.
Und was suchst du noch?
Don't come near me!
Die auch noch. Der blinde Hammy, die auch noch.
Leave me alone! I'm reloading!
Granate gefällig. Ohne von den Lots.
Damn! Skin job incoming!
Reloading, people.
Und er fiel. Für alle Zeiten. Bei Meister Bounce geh mit. Denn wir müssen jetzt. Wo möchte ich hin? Wahrscheinlich da hinten eine. Guck's, gar nicht. Wo ist denn ein Turm? Da wo hast du noch gesehen, gell? Ein Riesenturm, das zeigt ihn nicht mehr. Granaten 2. Pass auf, da will die Maschine gehen. Der Bonnie bin ich wohl im Paradies. Haha, das ist er. Und was brennt da hinten? Das bedeutet, wenn du Munition kriegst, dann ist die Ärger nicht weit.
It's a skin job. Here we go again.
You heard
Was
him!
sagt er? Wir. Leg du an. Moment, Granaten hier. Oder eine Pipebomb.
Ow!
Barnes, go around behind them.
Barnes,
We gotta
yo.
flank these things, people.
Man, I always hated spiders.
Barnes, you and me flank this one. Angie, cover me!
We've got wasps, Connor.
Moment, ich habe nur den Schuss.
Skin shot!
Die stehen drauf, wenn wir die schützen können.
Stay away from me!
Die Granaten hier, weiter geht's.
That's the last of
Ja
it.
gut, wenn die Granaten
All right,
ausgehen,
let's
dann
move
geht
before
noch.
they come back.
Dann noch das gleich aus. Was hast du noch? 3.
Hold up.
Was, Augenblick. Mit Pause machen.